Yeah. Ooh. Rip her out. There she is. For sale. Alright, here we go. Finally installing those Raceland Coilovers. Got the camber plates on. Them shiny old nuts, boy. Woo! Look at the difference. Flexing. Like a glove. You bitch. Who? Take it back out. Let's get it. I can hold it.
Yeah, I want hands in there.
Well, I bought them.
Whoopsie. Dropped one. You holding it?
Yep. Got to tighten up the camber plates. Cole, you trying to show off your car, bro?
Go ahead, bro.
Alright, man. Oh, there's Boy Cat. You've seen him on the channel before. Ooh. Damn. The Zanky. Flexing on him. Damn. Yeah, this is my boys right here. S14. Brutal. We go. Yeah, boy.
Serve these patients.
Alrighty, boom. Third time's the charm. Max Camber, boy.
Something that I wanted to do just because I love serving people.
Ooh. So the first time we had the left coilover on the right side. Now we've got the right coilover on the right side.
Of this huge emerging trend, with cannabis legalization sweeping over North America, and experts predicting the U.S. industry to skyrocket to $80 billion by 2030.
The level of it. This little plastic pieces broke off of there.
Oh shit.
Little plastic shit.
Damn, so that whole piece probably has to be replaced.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Piece of shit, just delete it.
And even with all that,
Here we go, sway bar delete. No mo. He said, there you go. Boom, there she is. For sale.
For sale. Fast, slam it. Can't even get the jack out, dog.
It's so low we can't even get the jack out now. Fuck. Well, now I gotta get another jack for sure. Now I'm in the low life. This is fucking lowered 4 inches now, I think.
Yeah.
For sale as well. If you want some crusty ass suspension, hit me up. Ooh. Bolted up. Ooh. Damn. Alright, here we are. Little status update. Boom. Dropping the exhaust.
Pull that shit out.
Alright, here we go. Oi. Pro tip. Boom. Our exhaust on wheels. Yeah, bitch. For sale. Hit me up. We almost had catastrophic error. Trying to get the differential out, you have to spin the wheels. So I went to take the emergency brake off and the car moved quite a bit. But hey, we're back in business now. We got her sitting good, and yeah, I should be able to pull the brake. Fire in the hole, baby.
That's it.
There she was. Kaboom boom. Whoa, Nelly. Alrighty. Well, we're good to go?
Yep.
Alrighty, and there we are, the differential. Alrighty guys, here's a little status update. Getting ready for work, but boom. Oof, there she is in the daylight. Looking good. Springs are starting to settle a little bit. Yeah. You can check out those rear lower arms. See if they're back here shining. Yep, there they are. Boom. Yeah, so I'm debating whether I want to get a LSD gear for the diff, or if I just want to weld it, put a plate in there, and start breaking axles. The gear's 350 bucks, man. It's just ever going, non-stop. Well, guys, appreciate you watching. Thank you. We'll catch you in the next one.